Welcome to Captain Barbers. Today in 6 minutes I will give you all the tips you need to can do a very good skin fade. Stay tuned. First I use number 1 open, and with the clipper corner I create a line to separate the top from the bottom. Now I'm going to use 0 half open, and I create a guideline all around that will help me keep the fade equal in all parts. Now I come with the trimmer and I clean the entire lower part to prepare it for the shaver. I use the Andis trimmer to create a line and then shape it with the razor. Now to blend the line I use 0.5 open, and then I put 0.5 close to fade completely the line. On the back I use the same process, 0.5 open, a little above the line guide, and then 0.5 close to almost completely close the line. If necessary, I take out the clipper grade and I correct a few things with only 0 or 0.25 blade from the clipper. Here, with the corner of the clipper, I'm gonna try to blend this line. You see I have 0.5 and I open the clipper blade and I close it as many times as I need, and I keep the clipper in angle to can do the fade. Make sure to have the fade brush with you to clean nicely. Now the next step is to use the scissors and comb. I prefer to use on dry hair when I do the blend, because in my opinion it's much more easy to see what you do, what you fade. Before I finish the haircut, I'm gonna spray a little bit water and I'm gonna check one more time to see if it's any hair left behind, and if it's any hair long there, I'm gonna cut it, I'm gonna trim it to look nice and smooth. After I wet the hair, I choose to cut it about half inch shorter. It is important to start with the middle part from the front to the crown as a guideline. Then we choose one part and go from the front to back, and then the other part in the same way. We take the comb and we cut what is over the comb. You see the movement I do with the comb, yeah? Like this I can choose how long needs to be the hair on the crown, yeah? And I make sure there's not any hair left longer on the crown. Now I'm gonna use thinning scissors because my client have a very thick hair on the fringe and I make sure it will look nice and blend. I put a new blade and I make very sharp that line to look nicer, yeah, and crisp. I hope you liked the video and you learned something. I will make more tutorials for you. Make sure to stay around and subscribe to the channel. Smash the like button and leave a comment below and let me know what video I should make next. Make sure you watch the next video because I will show you other skills and tricks to make you a better barber. See you soon, guys.